Before you start using the laser cutting machine, you need to create a design or a net development using CAD or computer aided design. An example of this is 2D design tools. That was the software used for the Lunchbox net development. The next step is to prepare the laser cutting machine with the material you'd like to laser cut into. You need to do this by putting the material onto the laser cutting bed. For the Lunchbox design, we have used corrugated card. You can also laser cut into materials such as card, wood, plastic and fabric. You can also etch or engrave into materials using the laser cutting machine. When you are happy with your design and the settings have been changed depending on the material you're using, you can send your design to the laser cutter. You need to ensure that the lid is closed and you have pressed the start button on the laser cutting machine. Laser cutting works by directing a laser beam onto the workbed. The system allows the machine to move the laser head in different directions. The focused laser beam can quickly move around the machine bed to create different shapes. Different settings means that you can cut through one area, slightly cut through to create folds or tabs, and even etch patterns onto a material. When the laser cutter is finished, you can lift the lid and remove your piece of work from the laser cutting machine. There are advantages and disadvantages to using the laser cutting machine. The advantages are that it's precise and accurate. It can cut through complex shapes. It engraves, etches and cuts. It leaves nice smooth edges and it's a very quick process. The disadvantages of laser cutting is that the equipment and the machinery is quite expensive, and the maintenance that goes with it can also be expensive. Training is needed to use the laser cutting machine, and also ventilation is needed when using it.